Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating Chrome on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Chrome, then click the 3 vertical dots button in the top right of the page. Choose Settings from the menu. Once in the Chrome settings, click on About Chrome at the bottom of the left sidebar menu. My Chrome is up to date currently, but if yours needs updating, there will be an update button here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.